Hello, I'm Gary Bebow, White River Health System CEO, and this is the October CEO Connection. The standard of the month for October is safety. It's another way of looking at that is for us to be aware of our surroundings, and if we find something that seems to be out of place, that we report it promptly using the internal dial number of 1300. You know, last employee forums in November last year, we talked about the oxygen canisters as an example. And frankly, just this last week, I had two different examples of when, as I was leaving the hospital, the oxygen canisters were not properly stowed in a basket in the wheelchairs or laid on its side or otherwise. So, you know, that's just one example of, as us as employees, that we got to be mindful of our surroundings and do whatever we can to keep patients and visitors safe. So please pay attention to the safety of our environment and do what you have to keep it safe. I want to talk a little bit about leadership at Stone County Medical Center. Stan Townsend will become the COO, Administrator of Stone County Medical Center, effective October 1st. Stan has a long time history at White River Medical Center. In fact, he used to own Stone County Medical Center before we acquired that system in 1999. Stan's got a great background in hospital finance, well known in the community, a leader in that community, and really well respected within the physicians and the medical community. And so we really look forward to Stan coming on board and making some great improvements in the Stone County Medical Center operations. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and on October 25th, it's our opportunity to wear pink at the hospital in recognition of that date. And so I hope that for those of you that have a desire to do that, that you'll wear pink on October 25th to bring awareness. In terms of community events, in September, we had our prostate cancer screening program. It's an annual event, and this year we had some 290 men go through that screening program. Well, I really appreciate the volunteers of White River Health System that made it such a successful event. You know, men like me, we have to be reminded to have that regular ongoing testing, and based on those that have gone through it, it's really been a great community service. Also in October, along with the collaboration with First Community Bank, we'll be doing Health First on October 15th at UACCB, previously known as Ladies' Night Out. Roughly 600 women will attend the event, and if you'd like to have a booth there, you can email Annie Solis at asolis, A-S-O-L-I-S, at WRMC.com. It's a great way for us to reach out to the women in our community and hopefully help them to improve their health as well. Recently, I've heard the rumor that White River Medical Center has been sold to Baptist Medical Center out of Little Rock. I want you to know that there's no such discussions have taken place, and at this time our board of directors and management are committed to be remaining independent and make sure that decision-making regarding healthcare remain at the local level. That really concludes my October CEO Connection. Again, if you have questions or if you have things you'd like to have me discuss in the future, please be sure to respond to those or give me your input in the screen that's been provided. So thanks and have a great month.